Are you a student about to go to senior high or college? Are you lost? Unsure how to look for a school, where to study, or how to afford it? Confused about which course to take? Edukasyon.ph is your answer. On our website, you can find more than 13,000 schools, private and public, local and abroad, 20,000 courses, 50,000 scholarships, all in one place.
And it's easy to use. Type www.edukasyon.ph on your internet browser, on your laptop, or your phone. Then follow 4 simple steps. Step 1. Search for a school, course, or scholarship. If you don't know what to search for, that's okay. Leave it blank and we'll help narrow down your options. Step 2. Filter the results based on your top factors: location, budget for tuition, program, and other preferences you might have. Step 3.
Pick a school to see their profile page and see key information you need to know about that school.
Step 4. If that school interests you, inquire or apply online by clicking on the I'm interested or apply button. Repeat with as many schools, courses, or scholarships as you want. It's free! And if you need more guidance, check out our advice section. Read up on useful guides and articles, or watch informative videos to learn about different topics related to your education, even your future career paths. Visit www.edukasyon.ph today and register to get unlimited access to schools, courses, and scholarships right at your fingertips. Edukasyon.ph. Your future starts here.